Time to change the carpet. So we did get the carpet kit from Sewfine Interiors. We read a ton of reviews. Everybody said Sewfine is the go-to for all your bus and bug carpet needs. Let's change the carpet. Our passenger side carpet's not terrible, but the driver's side is. So yeah, here's the middle section. It's pretty manky through here, as you can see. And we did have this split in the carpet, so I used this door piece to kind of cover that split that was going through the middle. So the next thing I'm taking off is the seat belts. Right here. Seat belts. That's a 17. 17 for the seat belts. Gotta remove the console. I'll show you what I mean. We got this console from Rhino something. I can't remember the name. I'll put it below. But best addition to my bus by far. Love this thing. Cup holders. 2 cup holders. Oh, yeah. See? Your sliding compartment. Seriously, one of the best additions to my bus. Top 5 for sure. Top 5. Okay, so if you're like me, you were wondering, when I take off this, do I need to take out the battery to, is there a nut behind this bolt? There isn't. As you see, I just took it out on this side. And it just screws in. There's threads in there, so you won't need to take out your battery to get these out. Thinking we might want to keep this in because it looks fantastic still.
Really good condition.
Perfect. This is the OG carpet that was stamped too. Time to go. 30 something years old.
Was the ruler not working good?
No, it's too flimsy. And now our ruler.
Oh, perfect. Oh, jeez. Why you everything up? Such a jackass.
Okay, so we're to the point of where we have that little bit of carpet between the cabinet and the seat podium thing here. And we've been trying to figure out a way to get this carpet out. I really thought I could muscle it out, but you can't. You can't. So we're gonna do what everybody else does. We're just gonna get out at least, an inch or 2 behind this and then cut the other carpet so we can just fold this about 2 inches behind. And it should look like, you shouldn't be able to tell, but we'll see, because I'm doing this, so we'll see.
We're gonna try get it so we've removed the carpet up to a couple inches in, but we can't actually physically reach back there. So the plan is to start a rip a couple inches in, because we can kind of start a little bit of a cut up here and then pull it to rip it straight down.
Because the carpet does go.
It has these kind of patterns on it that
we should be able to rip down.
Kind of like duct tape.
Yep.
I'm just trying to score the carpet a little bit to start the rip. And then we'll pull it from this side. Woo. Did it come off good?
It came off good about halfway.
Oh.
Oh man.
Oh. So our rip didn't go perfectly straight down. So we have kind of a fuzzy tail sticking out here.
So now we cut the flap that was on the top, and we're just trying to pull out whatever bits we can, as much as we can on the top, so we can tuck the carpet down there.
It's like bit by bit, little nibbles.
Okay, we got this area all cleaned up. Did a little bit of painting.
It's similar to the contact cement that we use for the headliner, where you spray both sides, let them dry a bit so they're tacky, and then you can kind of position it and it'll stick, but it won't stick super strong, so you can pull it off and reposition, and then when you get it right, then you can press it on, and it should stick at that point.
Start using that roller.
Yeah, roll it so it's all flat. I use the little red guys to push the corners into place, or the edges.
So that's about how much we've taken off to squeeze in behind the seat. See how this works. Now we're cutting out the e-brake hole. They mark it for you, so it should be pretty spot on. They mark the shifter box for you as well. I even painted the little screws black that go in it. Here it is, final product. I'm really happy with how everything turned out. Installation took about 8 hours, but that's because we took our time. Really weren't rushing it, wanted to clean all the surfaces really well, make it nice. There's some imperfections on there, but that's what makes it our bus. Yeah, lot better. A lot better. All right, that's the end of the video. If you liked it, click that like button, subscribe, all that good stuff. Much better. I did drive it to the beach. Don't mind the sand.